Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search and book flights on trip.com using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the trip.com app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard with the search bar at the top. Next, tap the flight icon. This will take you to the flight booking section. Tap on it. Here you can enter your departure city and destination. Then select your travel dates. Tap the calendar to suit your departure and return dates if it's a round trip or just the departure date for one flight. Next, choose the number of travelers and cabin class. Tap travelers and class, then select adults, children, or infants and choose economy, business, or first class. Tap done when finished. After that, tap search flight. Trip.com will show you a list of available flights with price, airlines, and flight time. Next, use filters to find the best option. Tap filters to sort by price, flight duration, airline, stops, or departure time. This helps you find a flight that fits your schedule and budget. Once you find the right flight, tap select. You will see the flight details including baggage allowance and refund policy. Make sure everything looks correct. Now tap book. Enter the passenger details exactly as they appear on the ID or passport. Then choose your payment method and complete the payment. After booking, you will receive a confirmation on trip.com through email. You can also view your book flight in the booking sections of the app anytime. And that's it. You have successfully searched and booked a flight on trip.com using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.